Sudhir sir, how are you?
I'm fantastic.
Very good morning.
Fine, thank you.
And thanks for joining us in the event at Acrex 2023. Could you please brief something about the offering with the Niagara?
So, as you know, right, Niagara is an open software platform heavily used globally for building automation systems, IoT, and various purposes. So, what we are doing is we are leveraging Niagara's power and its openness to enable all Niagara users not only to use Niagara for building management systems, but also to use for lighting control systems. So as you see, traditionally, whenever customer requires building management systems, they are using Niagara software, JSS, to connect to various diverse systems, right, which includes your HVAC, fire alarms, and everything which can communicate. However, when customer wants lighting controls also be installed in the buildings, they have a different software, different hardware, which brings quite a complexity in terms of integration.
Yeah.
And then later on, this is integrated with the BMS over open protocols like PACnet. But if you look at here, you have a separate software which is managing your lighting management, and you have a separate software which is managing building management. Right? Now, this is what Niagara brings. It's neat, clean architecture when a same controller, same system, same software, which anyways you are using for building management system, now you can use also for lighting controls. And this is where the seamless convergence comes in. The biggest benefit of this, as you see in this architecture, it's pretty clean, neat. The another important thing is that the same vendor or same system integrator who is already involved in BMS now can take care of your lighting controls. And from the end user's point of view, it is less system to manage. So in all, what we are saying, it's a neat, simple, clean technology, and we call it as a convergence.